Design thinking is a problem-solving approach that involves empathizing with the user, defining the problem, ideating potential solutions, prototyping, and testing. Here are the steps in design thinking. Empathize. In this first stage, you need to empathize with the user to understand their needs and challenges. This can be done through observation, interviews, or surveys. The goal is to understand the user's perspective and to gain insights into their needs. Define. In this stage, you need to define the problem you are trying to solve. Based on the insights gained from the empathize stage, the problem statement should be focused on the user's needs and pain points. Ideate. In this stage, you need to generate as many ideas as possible to solve the problem. The goal is to generate a wide range of ideas without judging them. This can be done through brainstorming sessions or other ideation techniques. Prototype. In this stage, you need to create a prototype of the solution you have selected, based on the ideas generated in the ideate stage. The prototype should be a simple and low-cost representation of the solution that can be tested with users. Test. In this stage, you need to test the prototype with users to gain feedback and insights. The goal is to see how users interact with the prototype and to identify any areas that need improvement. Iterate. Based on the feedback received during the testing stage, you need to refine the prototype and iterate the design process until a viable solution is reached. The goal is to create a final solution that meets the user's needs and solves the problem identified.